Fiori is the web-based application for SAP. This will be soon the primary interface for SAP users going forward. The Fiori apps can be opened through URL. They can also be invoked from the GUI using the transaction /UI2/FLP. This is a side-by-side comparison of how the user interface looks between SAP GUI and the SAP Fiori app. In the GUI, the left, the functions are arranged in a hierarchical fashion, whereas in the Fiori apps, the functions appear as tiles. We can access a function by clicking on these different tiles. By going to the settings, we can access some configurations where we can change the appearance. So we can select this particular theme, click on save. We see that the theme got updated. We can also update some default values. So what I mean by that is, so suppose now I click on display material. So no material value is being defaulted in this text box. But now if I wish to default it to a particular material, then what I can do is I can go to default values and then put that material number. And maybe this is the one that I want. So I'll just click on save. I click on display material and I see that this is getting defaulted to the material number that I wanted. So similar to the GUI version, we can see that if we want to suppose use the functionality of creating a material, we get the same kind of options that we typically get while doing the similar kind of functionality in the GUI. So for example, as we are into the create material, so here, let's say I want to create a material, so material master, and then I'm trying to create a material with a MM01 transaction. So here, if we compare the functionality side by side, I'm required to enter a material number. The industry, it's a drop down, and I'm getting these options from the drop down menu, the same which I get from here. Similarly, the material type. Also, change number I'm required to put in, and if I want to copy from an existing material. So all these options are there so that it is easier for somebody to migrate from the ECC version to the Fiori version.